Here's the exact lightning lane order I'd book for Hollywood Studios to skip the longest lines. Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm a travel advisor specializing in all things Disney. My services are completely free when you book your vacation through me. When you stay at a Walt Disney World resort, you can book your lightning lane starting 7 days in advance of your trip. Off-property guests are able to book 3 days in advance. At Hollywood Studios, my Tier 1 choice will always be Slinky Dog Dash. For my two Tier 2 choices, I'm going with Toy Story Mania and Tower of Terror. After you check into your first lightning lane of the day at the park, I'm immediately looking to book Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. From there, I'm booking the Rock and Roller Coaster. Last but not least, I'm snagging one for Smuggler's Run. For Rise of the Resistance, I'd recommend either buying a single pass for it, or I'd plan this as my rope drop ride. Save this and follow for more Disney tips and tricks.